Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the tall mustard in Heartopia. So here, if you want to take a screenshot of this, here's where every location is on the map. So the first one is here. It's like underneath. It's not like above. As you can see, claimed the tall mustard, and there will be around 3. This is what the plant looks like, by the way. Um, and I'm just going to then follow where the rest are. So let's go and grab this one. And the rest is like where the ruins are, like near the capybara trough. So yeah, you're just going to collect these, and yeah, that is where all of the tall mustards are, basically. But yeah, I'm just going to collect these, and I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.